Hi friends, so today also we will see some examples on matrix, right? Here I am considering one example. Of course, in main examination also they will ask like this, or so they will give a Aij and construct A. So take it to or 2 cross 2 more order of the matrix or 3 cross 3. So up to they will ask 3 cross 3. So after 3 cross 3 they never ask the construct a matrix, right? So only look at either 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3, right? So once you know the procedure, you can do any matrix to construct any matrix. Here construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Order is 2 cross 2 matrix. A equal to Aij, whose nothing but, so this is 2 cross 2 matrix, whose elements are given by, we are taking these elements Aij equal to 2I plus j. So using this relation we need to find the, here A nothing but, here 2 cross 2, nothing but I is 1 2, j is 1 2, I is 1 2, j is 1 2, right? So you have to order here elements is total 4. So 2 into 2 4. This is here product irukala, aa product first element hogirebeku, right? Now answer is, now your option is, I am writing here. So A is 1 2 3 4, B is 6 4 5 3, 3 4 5 6, 3 5 4 6. So you have come to confusion. So which one is option? So once you see the solution, you get answer. Now A equal to, here, so this is 2 cross 2 matrix. So element is 4, 1 2 3 4. But how to write? Now this is nothing but row, nothing but we are taking ith row and jth column, right? Ith row and jth column. So first element I, second element is j, If I is fixed, j varying 1 2, I1 j1 2, I2 j1 2, like this, right? Now see, given by, we have an expression Aij is 2I plus j. So take here, so this is nothing but I is 1, j is 1. Then remember, I is 1, j is 1. L I is 1, L j is 1. So I is 1, j is 1. A1 1 equal to 2 I is 1 plus j is 1. So 1. 2 into 1 is 1 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, this is for I is 1, j is 2. I is 1, j is 2. Now I is 1, j is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus j is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So A1 2 is 4. Similarly, this is I is 2. Change agakala. Now j is 1. I is 2, j is 1. Now 2 A1 2 1, A21 equal to I is 2, j is 1. So 2 into 1, so 2 into 2. This is I is 2. 4 plus j is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly, this is I is 2, j also 2. Both are 2. A22 equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? Like this. You get A1 is 1, sorry, A1 is 3, A12 is 4, A21 is 5, A22 is 6. I am entering these elements in this. A equal to, this is 1, sorry 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. See how the A is 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how the element to 3, 4, 5, 6 here. C1 is answer. Like this we need to find the elements of the matrix. ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತೆಗೆದು, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ another example. ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸರಿ. If Aij equal to I by j, Aij equal to I by j, then what is A equal to Aij of the 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix? You know I is 1 to 2 and j also 1 to 2. Now in option what is -1 0 0 1 1 1 by 2 1 1 2 1 by 2 1 then 0. And 0 nothing but all are 0. Solution, same procedure, but your expression is different. Aij is I by j, I by j. So I equal to 1 2, j also 1 2. ನೋಡಿ I 1 fix ಮಾಡಿ j 1 2, I ಮತ್ತೆ 2 fix ಮಾಡಿ j 1. So get 4 elements. See I 1 comma 1, I 1 j 1 is 1 1, 1 by 1 is 1 n. Then I is 1, j is 2. So a 1 2 equal to 1 by 1, right? I is 2 1, 2 1, 2 by 1, right? So is 2. I is 2 2, a 2 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 1 by 2 2 1. So 1 1 by 2 2 1. So this is a1 1, a1 2, a2 1, a2, like this. So your answer is this B. A 1 1 by 2 2 1. Similarly, same expression, second example, but what is the value of order 3? A matrix is order 3 by 3. Your option is 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 2 1 2 by 3 3 3 by 2 1, like this. We have a different options. Now solution is here 3 by 3, nothing but 3 into 3 is, there are total is 9 elements. Total is 9 elements. Nothing but here you have a11, nothing but here if I is fixed 1, j is varying 1 2 3. I is fixed 2, j is varying 1 2 3. I is fixed 3, j is varying 1 2 3. Nothing but 3 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. Right? That's nothing but 3 by 3. This is row and this is column. I throw into j column. See, I is 1, j is 1 2 3. Hello, I is 1 fix ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 2 3 you very much. Now I is 1, a is 1 1, right? So 1 by 1 is 1. So I is 1, j is 2 1 2. So 1 by 2 1 3, so 1 by 3. I is 2 1 2 3, j is 1 2 3. 2 1 2 2 2 3. Now 2 by 1 is 2. So here 2 by 2 is 1. Now 2 by 3. Then I is 3, j is 1 2 3. Similarly, a 3 1 3 2 3 3. Right? Now 3 by 1 is 3, 3 by 2, then 3 by 3 is 1. So you get 1 1 by 2 1 by 3, 2 1 2 by 3, 3 2 by 3 1. I am entering here. This is a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, 3. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. Your option is A. Your option is like this. Right? Like this we need to find the, so construct the matrix any order. So 2 by 3, 2 by 2 or any order. They will ask sometimes 1 by 3 or 2 by 3, 3 by 2 like this. Right?